Every day, countless people lose a silent battle they don't even realize they're fighting. Impulses drain their energy, steal their focus, and leave them feeling hollow. The cost isn't always visible, but it's real. Weakened confidence, scattered discipline, and a nagging sense that something vital is slipping away. The encouraging truth is that this cycle can be broken, and transformation can begin right now. Impulses disguise themselves as harmless desires, but they function more like traps. They promise satisfaction, yet deliver emptiness. Each surrender chips away at personal strength, creating patterns that feel impossible to escape. The real question becomes clear: how can anyone build an extraordinary life while being controlled by fleeting urges? True power begins when you choose to say no, especially when it feels difficult. Many people fail to overcome destructive habits because they fight the wrong battle. They depend entirely on willpower, which naturally weakens over time. Success doesn't come from sheer force of will, but from building better systems. When your environment makes failure easy and your phone is always accessible, when late-night scrolling fills empty hours, when you never pause to ask why you're doing something, you're set up to lose. The brain craves instant rewards, and breaking free requires rewiring those patterns, not just resisting them temporarily. Often, compulsive behaviors mask deeper issues like loneliness, boredom, or emotional pain. Addressing only the surface symptom brings temporary relief at best. Lasting freedom demands honest confrontation with the real causes driving these actions. Victory requires a deliberate, strategic approach. First, eliminate easy access to triggers by blocking content and removing temptations from your environment. Second, replace harmful habits with constructive ones. When urges arise, move your body immediately through exercise, walking, or creative expression rather than sitting in mental struggle. Third, identify the underlying reasons for your behavior. Understanding whether you're seeking escape, connection, or stimulation helps you address genuine needs in healthier ways. Imagine experiencing true self-control each morning, waking with clarity and purpose instead of guilt and regret. Picture redirecting the energy once wasted into building something meaningful. When you master your impulses, confidence naturally follows. You stop reacting to every fleeting desire and start actively shaping your life according to your values. The essential truth is this: you aren't weak, just untrained. The decisive battle for your future happens entirely within your own mind, and you possess everything needed to win it. Change begins the moment you decide to stop surrendering and start reclaiming your power. Today is that moment.